Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to discuss about what is HVAC stand for. What is HVAC stands for? Okay, so now we will discuss HVAC. HVAC, we can simply say that H for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. This is the HVAC full form. Okay. In HVAC system, sometimes heated the air, sometimes ventilated and the sometimes cooled for the human comfort and for the various application like for industrial application, residential application, and sometimes for cold storage or the ice plants. Okay. And we all know that as per S-ray for summer, human comfort parameter is for cooling and summer inside temperature is 24 to 25 degrees Celsius, and relative humidity is 50% to 60%. And we also know that the atmosphere is uncontrolled environment. We cannot control the parameter outside, but with the help of HVAC we can control the parameters like temperature, relative humidity, and air movement, air noise within the room, and we can achieve the controlled environment for the human comforts inside the room. So this is the definition of HVAC and what we controlled with the help of HVAC. Our next topic will be the function of HVAC. So thank you so much. We will meet again in the next video.